What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in. So today we have Data Vault or Data Vault. Some people say data, some people say data. Vault AI. And their ticker symbol is DVLT. And we are here at the daily time frame, the daily chart. And we are off to a great start so far with price being in our area around basically 56 cents. So not bad. Not bad. I mean, it's come down a very drastic drop, and it looks to be holding within this area here. Can it go down lower? Absolutely. This is why I also have this area here around that 30-cent mark. Now, if you were to go ahead and enter around this area, you'd be doing so at a very strong level of support here. But if it ends up holding from this $56 area, then we can absolutely see some buyers starting to step in. So right now, I would just love to see if we're gonna actually like just continue going upward towards this area, at least targeting that 130, 150 area if possible. And then if it ends up breaking past that, we can definitely most likely start to target that 185 as long as it looks good afterwards, right? But right now, we have this area here that's basically just doing its thing right now, and it looks like it's getting prepared to want to like try to make an attempt towards the upside, but it has this level here that it needs to break out of first. So let's just see how this looks. It looks like a weird, oddly shape. So right now we have this, right? Right now we have basically price that's just being sandwiched within this level here, right? So right now it broke to the downside, and then now we do see that we have some minor breaks here, and now price going towards the upside on this event, right? So now again, if it does end up going upward, it should see something around this level of support, excuse me, to where it can actually start heading higher. But again, we have to see if we're going to actually get that break. I will need to see a break of this high here before we can actually end up looking for that long-term, like good bias, bullish bias movement. That was a tongue twister. And then to see what we can get. So I would like to see if something's going to work out like this. So something is going to move like this, this, and then continuation going towards the upside. So that's basically what I'm looking for now. I know that there's been several of you that have been reaching out saying, hey, thank you for the breakdowns. Thank you for the gems. I greatly appreciate all the solid and great comments. I do this just to basically drop nuggets here and there, not only about the charts, but also just trading psychology. If you have any type of psychological barriers that are hindering you from becoming a better trader, I would say look within like yourself. Don't look for so much on the charts. Look for what's going to be the best mirror, shall I say, for you. What's hindering you from breaking out and having your breakthrough to becoming consistently profitable and becoming a better trader overall, right? So those things that you focus on, those are the things that are gonna, like, it may seem like a small detail, but it's actually a great big improvement when you start focusing on, the mentality or the psychological part of trading. So keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Again, all I ask is that I can please get a like, even a comment or two, even say hello. Doesn't matter. I mean, what city or what state you trading from? Like, what session are you trading? Do you trade New York session or do you trade Asian, London? I mean, let me know, and maybe we can make this a discussion and make it go a little back and forth, and maybe I can drop some gems there and also learn something. I'm no guru or nothing like that. That's the one thing that traders always do. They end up always thinking, oh, because you learned finally how to trade, that you never need to learn again. That's the complete opposite. Like, you never stop learning in this industry. There's always going to be room for improvement, and there's always going to be room to grow, like to learn new things as well. So yeah, with that being said, I wish you all a great day and a great profitable week as well. So thank you again. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Don't forget to please like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click that notification bell so once I upload something, you guys get it as soon as it's uploaded. All right. Have a good one. Have a great day and have a great week as well. Bye.